A mindset refers to a set of beliefs, attitudes, and assumptions that shape our behavior and influence our perception of the world. Having a positive and growth-oriented mindset can help us achieve our goals and overcome obstacles. Here are some basics of a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. They view failure as a temporary setback and a chance to improve their skills. Believe in effort. Those with a growth mindset believe that effort and hard work can lead to success. They don't see intelligence or talent as fixed traits but rather as qualities that can be developed over time. Learn from criticism. People with a growth mindset value feedback and see criticism as a chance to learn and improve. They don't take it personally but rather use it as an opportunity to grow. Persist in the face of obstacles. Those with a growth mindset don't give up easily. They persist in the face of obstacles and setbacks, knowing that with effort and perseverance, they can overcome challenges. Celebrate others' success. People with a growth mindset are not threatened by others' success. They celebrate it and see it as a source of inspiration and motivation. See challenges as opportunities. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. They view failure as a temporary setback and a chance to improve their skills. By cultivating a growth mindset, you can develop resilience, increase your motivation, and achieve your goals.